What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another quick short video here. I just wanted to make one really quick because we got it all finished up. We got the probe in, we got the operator console, tool changer. Everything's up and running, all dialed in and calibrated. I was probing parts last night. That thing's all fine-tuned. I just wanted to share this with you guys and make a couple quick tool changes maybe, and let you know that the full video of the whole process should be coming out probably either later this weekend or next week. My buddy's almost done editing up, and yeah, let's go ahead and change a couple tools really quick. All right, let's change tool 2 to tool 1. We'll go up here, hit enter, change with the ATC, yes. That right there was hours of time saved, especially with the new production kind of system that I built out. Changing 5 tools for one of the fixtures is no longer going to be someone actually standing here changing it out. You know, a tool path would end, and if you're working on something else, it might be 5 minutes before you get back to the machine to change a part out. Well, if that happens 20 times during the day, that's an hour of downtime just from manually changing tools. Even though it's easy on the 770 with the TTS and the power drawbar, it only takes a second. It's that it's not constantly going while you're working on something else and you forget about it, and you know, you get busy doing something and the time just, it adds up, and it adds up really quick, and you add it up throughout a week, you have a whole day of time that is gone. So yeah, I'm super excited to get this thing running production. The full-length video of everything should be coming out in a couple days. I'm also going to try to do a live stream, maybe today. I keep saying that, but either later today, maybe this weekend. I'm not 100% sure yet. We're 4 subscribers away from hitting 1,000 and getting all the mobile live stream features. I'm going to do it anyway, even if we don't hit that, but I'm trying to figure out the best time to do it. Maybe later today, maybe this weekend, but stay tuned for that. Hit the notification bell so you guys get alerts, notifications when I do go live. And I'm going to be doing that more often, at least probably every other week or once a week. We'll see how that goes moving forward. But stay tuned for the next video. There's a sale on the website, CLK Fall 2021. The banner's on the top of the website. I'm going to bump it up for the next 3 days, 20% off. It'll be good until the end of the weekend. And then the next sale won't be till the end of November. So jump on that, and I will see you guys in the next video.